In today's video, I will teach you how to make a globe or planet photo manipulation in GIMP. Let's get started. Creating a stunning globe or planet photo manipulation in GIMP can add an intriguing and surreal element to your images. Let's go through the steps to achieve this effect. You can start by cropping. Open your desired image in GIMP, preferably one with a wide landscape. Then duplicate the layer and hide it for later use. Then crop your image to achieve an even balance of sky and ground using the crop tool. Ensure the settings include center lines for accurate cropping. Now resize your image to make it square by going to Image, then Scale Image. Then set the width to match the original height to create a square image. To create a planet effect, go to Filters, Distort, then select Polar Coordinates. Adjust the settings to 100, 180, and choose the Polar option. If there are noticeable joints in the image due to it not being continuous, retouch the join area. To do this, duplicate the globe layer and rotate the top layer about 90 degrees to clear the join. And that's it! You've successfully created a stunning globe or planet photo manipulation in GIMP. Experiment with different images and adjustments to achieve various effects and make your creation stand out with a touch of surrealism. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorial, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.